आतां एल्टनान रेफरन्सूय केल्लें जॉन मेंडोन्सा सिनियर एज्युकेशनिस्ट फ्रॉम फातोर्डा has been a staunch Konkani protagonist, educationist, principal, has expired and funeral is tomorrow. And same, I also agree with Honorable Leader of the Opposition with regard to Diana Tavares, who is a fearless environment activist and who tried to save Goa till the very end of her life.
सभागृह एकमतान मानून घेतले. ह्या सभागृहाची भावना त्यांच्या कुटुंबा मेरेन पावयतले. 1 मिनिट शांतताय पाळून उबी रावन तांच्या आत्म्याक शांती मेळो अशें मागुया. Thank you.